This facility is about 30,000 square feet facility. Mostly you're gonna see in the tour it's a warehouse and the clean rooms. Mostly it's operation. This one is mostly operations. 6-7 hours, employees needs to cover up completely. I also would like to congratulate you on the achievements made over many decades, specifically the one we are witnessing today. I want to wish you more successes with this new facility in place.
Our invitation said that we are here tonight to celebrate the launch of Prince Sterilization Services, newest manufacturing and warehousing facility. But of course we know the celebration is much larger than that. Prince is a relatively new company, but with roots dating back for over 50 years. We celebrate tonight not only Prince's current status and success, but the much larger journey and the people it took for us to get here. Those of you that are here with us tonight are here because you've been a part of Prince's 50-year journey in some way, small or large, and whether you think so or not. We thank you all for your support over the years and for spending this night with us.